All right, so here is the problem that I'm having here. So let's zoom in a little bit. I want this to jump to here. So this is measure 14. So it should play to the end of measure 14, basically jump over two of them to measure 17. So the main problem that I have is when I try to change this number, first off, you can't see it. It's somehow it superimposes multiple numbers into the same spot, so it's difficult to see. But I press the number 1 followed by the number 7, and then I hit OK. um, but it still says 16. Hit 17, hit OK. I even tried turning off finale, getting out of it, exiting out of finale, and then restarting finale, and that didn't seem to help. It always stays at 16. I've had similar problems where you couldn't just tell it to jump, 3 measures over. It would only go to 2, and it wouldn't go further than that for some reason. That's the main problem. So then it causes like an infinite loop, as you can see here, because it's only going to 16. And when it goes to 16, I guess the coda here is always jumping. So I could fix that, but that's really not, that's a fix for a fix. It's not the problem. And then the other thing that I don't really understand is I've never seen this before, a 1:1, and I've been using this finale for nearly 10 years. And this is the first time I've seen 1:1, and I don't know what that means. And then lastly, it's just the way that this was written, and I'm just trying to make it look the same as the real book. You basically have a redundant repeat here, but that's just, kind of for your solos. You know that you're going to be solo. These are the chords for the solos, and this will be repeating as many times as needed. But for this thing to be functional, you wouldn't really need this repeat. Just the coda marks and the sign, that's all you're going to need. So I had to wonder if that actually caused a problem. And initially I thought, well, I'll just, make this a symbol and it won't do anything. But there was no, unlike these other symbols, there was no option for like never jump mark. It didn't really have that for this. So that would be kind of nice to do that. So anyway, that's about it.